Have you ever wondered how birds like the Arctic tern travel over 70,000 kilometers every year without getting lost? It's like they have a built-in GPS. These incredible birds navigate using the Earth's magnetic field, the position of the sun and stars, and even their sense of smell. The Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migration of any animal, flying from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back every year. Other birds, like the bar-tailed godwit, can fly non-stop for 11,000 kilometers without a break. In this video, we'll uncover how these tiny creatures achieve such mind-blowing feats of navigation. Stick around to explore the fascinating secrets behind their incredible journeys.